Hi, writers! Last week I had the chance to read lots of books by published authors to you. Authors write for different reasons. Sometimes authors write to share stories, like Juana Martinez Neal did with her story, Alma and How She Got Her Name. Sometimes authors write to teach others what they know, like Deborah Castro did in this book, Habitats Around the World. Just like both of these authors, I want to teach you that you can also write for different reasons or purposes, and you already have been. You've drawn and written about stories from your summers. You've drawn and written to teach me about your families and how you got your names. I'm going to stick this onto our chart. Why do writers write? To share stories. Think for a moment about stories from your life that you can share with others. This example on the chart says, on a sunny Saturday, I went to the park with my dad. I have a story that just happened that I'd like to share about. Just last week, Mrs. Robstello, Mrs. Sandvold, and I had to help a friend. Our friend was Mrs. Eccles, and she was stuck in the bathroom, and we had to help her out by kicking the door because it was really stuck. It was quite the experience, and I think it'd be a really good story to write about. Oh, and I have another story I just thought of. I took my dog Pippa for a walk after school yesterday, and we had just started walking, but she found a shady spot and laid down. She didn't want to get up. It was pretty silly, and I could write about that. Okay, I'd like you to pause the video and think about a story that you'd like to share with your writing. I bet you all have some really great ideas of stories to share. I can't wait to read them. Now, I'd like you to think about topics that you could teach others. What do you know a lot about? Why do writers write? To teach others. I know a lot about gluten-free and dairy-free cooking. I have some food allergies, so I could write to teach others who'd like to learn more about those food allergies, all about gluten-free and dairy-free cooking. I could also write to teach others about how to take care of a golden retriever dog. Since my dog Pippa is a golden retriever, I have learned a lot about caring for her. This example says, in this book, I am going to teach you all about dogs. Okay, pause the video and think about what you could write to teach others. I know that you all are the kind of class who knows so much, and you can write about what you know. Today for writing, you will use one of the books that you made to write a story or to write to teach others. Write for about 15 minutes. You could, of course, write for more time if you'd like. If you don't finish today, that's okay. You can finish another day. Upload a video of you reading what you wrote today to Seesaw.